Alright, now we just got our glass unloaded from the van, from the ground up to this dot. And now we're gonna take all these mirrors up to the 8th floor and put them where they remodeled each restroom. Well, we got all the glasses up here. This big one was a pretty good challenge because the freight elevator was a little bit too little, but we got it in there. So now I'm putting mastic on the mirror directly on it, so you can just easily press it, but you can put it on the wall or glass, either one you really want. Alright, now we have this mirror installed. What we're going to do is take all these buttons off and clean it, and see how we have that hole. It's perfectly centered up here, and that's what you want every time. And you want to split the difference on these sides if you have anything. And if you need any mirrors done, just hit up Jay.